Are you still facing inconsistent stud welding quality, slow manual operations, and high labor dependence in your production line? Today, manufacturers of metal enclosures, electrical cabinets, automotive components, and elevator door panels need faster, smarter, and more reliable welding solutions to stay competitive. That is exactly why the TATE CNC stud welding machine was created. This advanced system is engineered to solve the most common industry pain points. With fully automated positioning, the machine ensures every welding stud lands in the exact programmed position with exceptional repeatability. Its servo-driven CNC platform delivers stable motion, high precision, and outstanding control, even under long hours of continuous operation. Thanks to TATE's intelligent welding module, the equipment automatically adjusts parameters based on the stud size and material, guaranteeing strong weld penetration, clean surfaces, and uniform results without rework. For factories struggling with inconsistent manual welding, this technology dramatically improves quality consistency and reduces operator dependency. The machine also supports high-speed multi-stud operations, enabling massive productivity boosts for enclosure manufacturers, automotive metal parts suppliers, HVAC system fabricators, and elevator panel factories. Its user-friendly touchscreen control and digital recipe management make job switching fast and simple, ideal for modern flexible manufacturing. Built with an emphasis on durability and low maintenance, the TATE CNC stud welding machine helps companies minimize downtime and achieve long-term reliability. Whether you're producing large quantities or small batches, this system guarantees stable performance, high efficiency, and premium welding quality. Choose TATE and bring automation, accuracy, and productivity to the next level. TATE CNC stud welding machine, the smart welding solution designed for the future of industrial manufacturing. Upgrade your welding process today. Contact us at info@octate.com.